Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let's talk about blogs which you can find inside Odoo 18. So Odoo allows you to create and manage blogs which can further be published inside the website. So this allows you to manage the audience and build a community in Odoo. So let's move on to the video and see how a blog has been created. Odoo's blogging platforms let you easily create and manage engaging content to connect with your audience and build a thriving community. So let's get started. First of all, you have to install it. Okay, that is, you have to make sure that if you go to the, not the knowledge, we have to go to the website. Okay, so search for the website and here you have the website. So if you go to the configuration, you have this blog section. So if it's not there, means you have to go and add it, okay, through the website builder. And here in the blogs, open the blogs section. Okay, so here you can create your first blog by providing a name and subtitle. This automatically adds a blog menu item to your website. So you have travel and astronomy right now. Okay, so if you go to this site home page, you have blog here. So click on blog and you can see the latest post. So here you have travel and astronomy. So you can add again blogs over here, whichever blogs you add, it will be seen here. So let's go to the configuration. I'm going to the blog and I'm going to create a new one. So click on new here. And here you have to specify a name for your blog. Okay. So here I'm going to give the name as education. Okay. And here you can specify the subtitle of your blog. So I'm just putting information corner. And you have to specify the website in which this blog should be published. So if you leave it empty, what happens is that this will be available everywhere. And I'm saving it. Now you have a thing called education. Okay. So if you go back to the blogs, you have education and it will also be showing the number of posts. So let me show you how you create blog post. So obviously you have to navigate to your website's front end. Okay. So if you go to the site over here, go and take the home page. Here you have the blogs. So you can see education has been added. So if you click on education, there is no blog post yet. Okay. So here you can see a new button. Okay, so here you can actually click on the new in the top right corner. So here you have the new button. So from here, by clicking on this, you can actually create a new blog post. So here you have the blog post, open that, and then you have to select the blog. Okay, so I'm putting it under education. And the title of the blog post should be set. That is, you have to select the blog for the post and give it a title. So I'm just giving the name as Odoo ERP. Sorry, Odoo ERP. Okay, and I'm saving it. Okay, so now you have created a blog post here inside the blog which you created, which is coming under the education. Okay, so here, once you name it, once you give the subtitle and all, next you have the option to write and format it. So you can use the website builders tools to create and format your content. So just if you select the slash over here in the editor, for quick formatting options and element insertion. So you can consider using the copyright-free images from the Unsplash. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you can see different things like the fonts and all. Then you have the block codes. All kind of formatting can be found over here. Okay, so just use the slash icon. So I'll just put Odoo is an ERP software. So you have a lot of things here as well. So you can actually set a theme for it. You have blocks here, okay, where you can add intro, images and all. So I'll just put an image over here. And the image I'm going to search is for Odoo. Let's see whether images will come or not. Or you can simply search for something else. Okay. So you have images here. You have a lot of images you can find it over here. So I'll just choose this one. Okay. So an image has been added over here. So here inside this product highlight section, you can change the text and give whatever you have to give. So I'm just copying this and putting it on inside this. See, so I've given Odoo as an ERP software, and also you can resize it. See, this is how you resize it. Okay. Similarly, inside the website builder, you have a lot of options like intro, the columns, content, text, people, images, products, all those things are here. So you can easily use that from here. Okay. So once this is all done, okay, what you will do, you can give a subtitle over here. Okay. So just drag and drop the image, where to drop the image and all can be dragged and dropped here. So I'll just search for a flower. Okay, so there we have a lot of photos for that. I'll just choose this. Okay, so let's see how that worked. So whatever option you're planning to add on to your blog post, what you have to do is you have to simply go to the widgets here and then drag and drop it. Okay, so from here, if you drop an image here, there you have the option to search for the image, or even you can add a URL or upload from your system. Okay, so it's how you can basically do edits over your blog post. Okay, so once you're done, you can save it from here. So I'm just saving it. So a new blog has been created. If you go to education, you can see the blog, and this is shown as unpublished. Okay, so here, if you open this, here's your blog, but the fact is that this is not published yet. So on the top of the screen, you can see this thing where you can toggle this button, which will make this published. So this blog will now be available for the public. Okay, so under education, you can find Odoo ERP, the blog which we created right now. Okay, so this is how it basically works. So that's the blogs. And here under the blogs, you have a thing called tags. Okay, so I'll just open the tags. So using these tags, it actually allows visitors to filter by topic. So if I am searching for Odoo, then that thing will be coming. So creating a tag is really simple. You can add the name of the tag. Okay, so the category I'm putting, like a category can be chosen from here. The color can be set. So I'll set a color, and where it is used in, that can also be added. Okay, the tags where it should be used and all can be added. So I'll just put Odoo and I'm closing it. Select and keep it over there. So you can choose the titles, and also to manage it, what you have to do is you have to go to the website configuration, where under blogs you have the tags. So from there you can create and edit and even categorize the tags, and you can also add tags directly from the post editor. So this tags category we have. Okay, so here you have the tags category. So this is to organize tags into category. So if you just create a new category, save it. Okay, so a new category is there. If you go and open tags there, here if you choose the category, you can see the one which we created right now. Okay, so this is for better navigation, and the tags are displayed at the bottom of the post by default, and you can also add a sidebar with a tag list via the edit or customize thing. Okay, so that's possible over here. What you have to do is just go to the home page. So here we have the blogs. The blog is here. So the the tag which we added can be seen here. See, Odoo. Here you have the adventure hotels and all. Okay, so that's how you can add the tags towards the blogs. Okay, and like you can open a blog homepage, and if you click on this, you have the option to edit it. So from here you can edit and customize it. Okay, so the top banner can be changed. Okay, then what the layout, the cards, the readability, the sidebar, the post list, author, comments, all those things can be changed. Okay. So I've already shown that like rather than even creating a new one, editing an existing one is also possible over there. So I'm just discarding it. So this is how easily you can create a blog, publish it, and make it more attractive, or even customize and edit it. Okay. So yeah, guys, I hope that's clear. So that's how you can easily manage the blogs in Odoo 18. I hope that was clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.